Welcome back to our channel. The history of the Bicol region, Sorsogon province. The name Sorsogon came from the root word sosog or sulsog, meaning to follow the river, or to follow the current. When the Spaniards came, it was changed to Sorsogon. Long before foreign flags touched Philippine shores, Sorsogon was already alive, with thriving communities along its coastlines and fertile plains. Early Austronesian settlers built villages beside the sea. They fished in abundant waters. They farmed the land. They traded with neighboring islands. Barangay boats sailed confidently across the Pacific waters. Gold ornaments, pottery, and woven cloth moved through ancient trade networks. Society was led by datos, respected leaders who governed independent barangays. Spiritual beliefs honored nature, ancestors, and unseen spirits. Mount Bulusan stood watch over the land. Powerful and sacred, this was Sorsogon before colonization. Free, organized, and deeply connected to the sea. In the late 16th century, Spanish expeditions reached the shores of Bicol. With them came soldiers, missionaries, and a new faith. Sorsogon became part of the Spanish colonial system. Churches rose in Bacun, Casigo Run, and Bulan. Catholicism spread throughout the province. The reduction systems, meaning reduce, gathered villages into centralized towns. Tribute was collected, forced labor imposed. Yet despite colonial rule, the spirit of Sorsogon endured. Spanish rule would fall, but another empire was already waiting. After Spain defeat in 1898, the United States took control of the Philippines. Sorsogon entered a new political era. Public education expanded. English became the language of instruction. Roads and bridges connected towns. Democratic institutions were introduced. Municipal government gained structure. Trade improved. Infrastructure developed. But American rule was not without resistance. The Philippine-American War left its scars across the nation. Still, Sorsogon moved toward modernization. By the early 20th century, it stood as a growing province, unaware that global war would soon arrive. In 1941, World War II reached the Philippines. Japanese forces occupied the region. Life in Sorsogon changed overnight. Food became scarce. Fear spread across towns and barrios. Guerrilla fighters organized in the mountains and forests, resisting occupation despite danger. Years of hardship tested the people. Then in 1945, liberation came. American forces returned. Battles erupted. Towns were damaged. When the smoke cleared, Sorsogon was free, but deeply scarred. Liberation brought joy and sorrow. Today, Sorsogon stands resilient, from the whale sharks of Donsol, to the hot spring in Irosin, to the majestic Mount Bulusan. The province thrived through tourism, agriculture, and fisheries. Its people remain warm, proud, and hardworking. From ancient shores to colonial struggle, from war to rebuilding, Sorsogon's story is one of endurance. A province shaped by history, yet always moving forward. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to press the like button and please share. Please subscribe to our channel for more. We will see you on our next video. Conclusion of the history of the Bicol region. When America fell, Bicol changed forever.